The 15th question is from propositional logic. So in this we are given four propositional statements. The first one says if P then Q. Second one is not P and Q. Third one is not P or Q, and fourth one is not P or not Q, right? These are usual notations, so we don't have to worry about that. They are asking us which of the following options are correct, and they are asking us in terms of logical equivalence. What does logical equivalence mean? It means that the truth tables are exactly the same, right? And if we start with the first option, S1 is equivalent to S3. This is common knowledge. Okay, so if you have studied propositional logic, you know that it's a standard rule that if P then Q or P implies Q is equivalent to not P or Q, right? So this is taught directly in propositional logic, which is why this is a very straightforward easy question, and the answer to this question is A. But we will solve this a little bit just for your understanding. So what I'll do is I'll do 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, right? And I will write the truth table for all of these. So P implies Q, not P and Q, not P or Q, and finally not P or not Q. Okay, we'll start with this. So if P is false, Q will always be true, right? Sorry, P implies Q will always be true. And 1 0, P implies Q will be false, because if P but then Q is false, so this will be 0 and this will be 1. Now not P and Q, right? So in this Q is 0, so this will be 0. In this as well Q is 0, so this will be 0. Not P is 1 in this case, and Q is also 1, so this will be 1, and again this will be 0, right? And for the third case, so or, right, so not P will become 1, so it's or, so this will be 1. Q is 1, so this will be 1. Not P will be 0, 0 or 0, it will be 0. And Q is 1, so again this will be 1, right? And for the last one, not P or not Q, right? So this is 1 1, not P is 0 and not Q is 1, so again 1, and lastly 0 and 0, right? So this is 0. Now if you see, if you compare the four tables that we got, let's look at the other options, right? Let's look at option B. S2 is equivalent to S3, which means so I will also mark those. This is S1, this is S2, S3, S4. S2 is equivalent to S3. Is that true? Here it is 0, but here it is 1, right? For 0 0. So I mean, like right from the first row you can say that this is false. S2 is equivalent to S4. So again, for 0 0, S2 is 0 and S4 is 1, so you can say this is false, and S1 is equivalent to S4, so that is proven wrong in the case of 1 0, right? S1 is 0 but S4 is 1, so that cannot be the answer either, and hence the answer to question 15 is A.